Hello and welcome to this new video on how to access OneDrive storage. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a source bar. You just have to click on the source bar and type OneDrive and press enter in the keyboard. After that, you just have to click on the first search result and the interface will be open right in front of you, and there will be a sign in button. You just have to click on the sign in button and enter your Microsoft account mail and password. After that, you will be able to access this interface that is shown to you on the screen. And in order to access the storage, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be my files, and under this section all the files that has been stored in OneDrive will be shown to you, and there are photos as well. And when you click on the photos, and all the photos that has been stored in OneDrive will be shown to you. So this is how you can easily access OneDrive storage. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.